What makes physics so cool? To me, physics is awesome and interesting because it asks the one question that no other science does. How? Physics looks at how things happen, the reason things happen, and explains it. No other science does this. Chemistry deals with the result of things happening, while biology deals with the why things can happen, but physics deals with the how things happen. Take, for instance, a moving car. A biologist would look at a moving car and wonder, why is it able to move? He would probably ask himself, what is it about the way those parts work together that make it go forward? Why is it able to happen? A physicist, on the other hand, sees a moving car and wonders, how can the car move? What is providing a forward motion? How are the wheels even able to turn? And on the other end of the spectrum, we have a chemist who would probably see a moving car and wonder what would happen if we threw sulfuric acid into the tank. But what is physics? Well, the ultimate goal of physics is to understand the universe around us. This ranges from tiny, intermolecular particles to huge things like entire solar systems. Physics argues that there must exist fundamental rules that govern the how of everything around us, and it is the physicist's job to find out what those rules are and apply formulas to them. It is really fascinating how much we already know, yet mind-boggling how much we don't. Such simple mechanics, such as Newton's famous force equals mass times acceleration equation, can help scientists understand the basic motion of nearly anything. So, I'm here to teach you guys these principles too. That answers what the basic goal of physics is, but doesn't answer what we actually do in physics. Well, in its simplest form, physics is applied mathematics. Now, you've probably heard the term applied something before, but I'm not sure you really know what that means. To answer that, think about a toolbox. Essentially, all of the math you learned since elementary school are tools that were put into this toolbox. We all start off with an empty toolbox, and as we get older and learn more complicated math, we sort of buy and learn how to use new tools. By the time we hit physics, we have a good set of tools that we're very familiar with using, but we never really used them before. See, mathematics is a class that teaches you what the tools are and refines your ability to use them.
Scientific disciplines and its main goal is to understand how the universe behaves. यानी फिजिक्स हमारे पास जितने भी बुनियादी साइंसी मज़ामीन हैं उनमें से एक है, और इसका जो मेन मकसद है वो ये है इस बात को समझें कि जो हमारी यूनिवर्स है इसका बर्ताव क्या है, ये कैसे बिहेव करती है. इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ फिजिकल और फंडामेंटल साइंसेज. ये फिजिकल या फिर फंडामेंटल साइंसेज का एक हिस्सा है. इसकी डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं. फिजिक्स इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस which deals with the study of matter, energy and their interaction. यानी फिजिक्स साइंस की एक ऐसी ब्रांच है जिसमें मैटर, एनर्जी और उनका जो आपस का जो ताल्लुक है उसको स्टडी किया जाता है. मैटर का मतलब है मादा और एनर्जी का मतलब है तवानाई और इंटरेक्शन का मतलब है उनका आपस का रिलेशनशिप, उनका ताल्लुक. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड नॉलेज ऑफ नेचर. इसको नॉलेज ऑफ नेचर भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि इसमें हम नेचर के अंदर रूनुमा होने वाली हर चीज़ का मैकेनिज्म स्टडी करते हैं. हर चीज़ के पीछे जो अवामिल कार फरमा है उनको देखना होता है. मेन जो करैक्टर्स हैं, करैक्टर्स इन फिजिक्स, देयर आर टू मेन करैक्टर्स इन फिजिक्स. वो उनमें से एक है मैटर और दूसरा है एनर्जी. अब सवाल ये है कि मैटर क्या होता है और एनर्जी क्या होती है. व्हाट इज मैटर? Anything that have mass and occupy physical space is called matter. यानी हर वो चीज़ जिसका mass यानी कैमियत होती है और वो जगह घेरती है उसको मैटर कहा जाता है. It is measured in kilograms और मोल. इसके दो यूनिट्स हैं, एक किलोग्राम और दूसरा मोल. States of matter की बात की जाए तो there are 4 different states of matter. Number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, gas and plasma. Plasma को ionized state of matter भी कहा जाता है. What is energy? इसका जवाब है the ability of a body to do work is called energy. यानी किसी जिस्म में काम करने की सलाहियत को, कैपेसिटी को एनर्जी कहा जाता है. It is measured in joules. इसका जो SI यूनिट है वो joules है. Types of energy देखा जाए तो there are 2 basic types of energy. Number 1 kinetic energy and number 2 potential energy.